Struggling with endless research papers, citations, literature reviews, and turning your findings into presentations? As a PhD student, your goal is to save time, understand research faster, and stay focused on writing quality work. But what if there was an AI research tool that could help you review literature, generate citations, paraphrase complex content, and even turn your research into PowerPoint presentations? From reading papers to organizing ideas, this tool makes the entire research process faster and easier. If you're a PhD student, this is one tool you'll definitely want to check out.
This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
If you're a PhD student looking to supercharge your academic research workflow, you're in the right place. The link in the description will take you directly to SciSpace, one of the most powerful AI tools available for researchers today. SciSpace is purpose-built for academic research, and unlike general-purpose AI tools, it's tailor-made for the specific challenges PhD students face every day. Whether you need to generate a literature review, draft a manuscript, create diagrams, build PowerPoint presentations, find relevant research papers, or check for novelty, SciSpace has you covered. Some of the most popular tasks researchers use it for include drafting manuscripts, generating systematic literature reviews, and finding papers to assess research novelty. As PhD students, one of our biggest challenges is generating a comprehensive, well-structured literature review, and SciSpace makes this significantly easier. If you're a regular ChatGPT user, you'll be glad to know that you can easily connect the SciSpace GPT app and carry out your literature review directly within ChatGPT. To do this, simply click on your profile icon and you'll see multiple options appear. From here, select the GPT app option, which will take you to the official GPT store. Once there, you'll be able to find SciSpace and connect it to your ChatGPT account. Just hit connect, and it will be linked instantly. Now, when you start a new chat, you'll notice the SciSpace icon right in the prompt bar. From this point, you can simply input your prompt to generate a literature review or any other research-related task directly within ChatGPT. So, in this way, you have the option to connect SciSpace with ChatGPT for added convenience. However, for the rest of this walkthrough, we'll continue using SciSpace directly to generate our literature review, as it gives us access to the full range of features and customization options. To get started, simply click on Literature Review, and you'll immediately notice a ready-made prompt template in the prompt bar. All you need to do is fill in your area of interest and specify the types of studies you want to include. For this demonstration, I've entered the following prompt: generate a literature review on the effectiveness of mindfulness-based interventions for anxiety, including randomized controlled trials, meta-analyses, and studies involving adult populations. Before running the process, SciSpace gives you several powerful options to customize your output. You can upload files or images directly, or import documents from Google Drive. You can also connect academic reference managers such as Zotero, Mendeley, and OneDrive to pull in your existing paper library. Additionally, you can select your preferred research mode: deep research, systematic research, or biomedical agent, depending on the nature of your work. Finally, you can choose your output mode from light, pro, or expert. For most PhD-level tasks, I recommend Pro for the best balance of depth and efficiency. Once your preferences are set, simply hit Enter, and SciSpace will begin executing its plan automatically across several steps. Just give it a moment to complete. The result is a comprehensive literature review on the effectiveness of mindfulness-based interventions for anxiety in adult populations. The output is impressively structured, opening with an executive summary followed by a full table of contents. It then moves through an introduction, background and theoretical foundation, methodology, key findings, discussion, future directions, a thorough conclusion, and a complete reference list of all studies used. Every section is detailed and covers all essential aspects of the research area. SciSpace also allows you to download your literature review in multiple formats, and you can save any section directly to your notebook for future reference. To access all the academic papers used in generating this literature review, simply click here, and you'll be presented with a detailed, structured table. As you can see, this particular review draws on 59 academic papers in total, and the table breaks down each paper individually, showing its relevancy score, abstract, study design, key findings, population details, and much more, all organized within a single, easy-to-navigate table. This is actually one of SciSpace's most unique features, and it's something that genuinely sets the tool apart. You won't find this level of structured, paper-by-paper breakdown in other research tools like Elicit or Consensus, which is exactly what makes SciSpace stand out in this space. What's even better is that you can customize this table further. Simply click Add Columns, and you'll be presented with a range of suggestions, including insights, conclusions, results, and several other options. Just select whichever section you'd like to add as a new column, and within seconds, it will be generated automatically. For this demonstration, I've added a column for the methods used in each study. As you can see, SciSpace has now generated a comprehensive column detailing the specific methodology used in every single paper included in the review. This feature is incredibly valuable for quickly understanding the methodological landscape across all the studies in your literature review, without having to open and read each paper individually. Beyond literature reviews, SciSpace also allows you to interact directly with academic papers, something that saves PhD students enormous amounts of reading time. Simply click the PDF upload option and upload any academic paper. For this demo, I'm uploading a paper on assistive technology in special education. Once uploaded, the PDF appears on the left side of the screen with an interactive panel on the right. From here, you can ask SciSpace to summarize the results of the paper, pose custom questions, and receive context-aware answers. Select any portion of the text and request an explanation or summary, and even find related papers based on the content. This feature is incredibly useful for extracting key insights from dense academic literature without having to read every word manually. Another common challenge for PhD students is creating professional presentations, and SciSpace handles this effortlessly as well. Using the same topic from our earlier literature review, the effectiveness of mindfulness-based interventions for anxiety in adult populations, I simply typed the topic into the input field and hit Enter. Within moments, SciSpace generated a fully downloadable PowerPoint presentation. Opening it up, you can see the slides are professionally structured and comprehensive, covering core concepts, key data and findings, conclusions, limitations, future directions, and a detailed reference list. These slides are ready to use or customize for conference presentations, thesis defenses, or seminar talks. One final feature worth highlighting is automatic citation generation, a genuine time saver for any researcher. Getting citation formats exactly right can be tedious and error-prone, but SciSpace eliminates that frustration entirely. Simply input the title or URL of any academic paper, and SciSpace will generate a properly formatted citation in multiple styles, including APA, MLA, and Chicago. It also provides in-text citation details, which is especially useful when cross-referencing sources within your manuscript. What we've covered today is really just the surface of what SciSpace can do. It is a truly tailor-made research tool that can meaningfully accelerate your PhD workflow, from the earliest stages of a literature search all the way through to your final manuscript. Give it a try using the link in the video description, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more content coming your way. See you in the next one.